Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Sprint Mesh Office Chair. Features. This distinctive design office chair offers style, comfort and dynamic support as you sit. The encased mesh backrest suits users of different sizes and encourages airflow, preventing the body temperature rising over long periods. Ergonomically contoured backrest design with lumbar sculpture provides support to the lower back, and the head and neck is supported by a height and tilt adjustable headrest. The contoured seat pad is generously proportioned, and the waterfall seat front helps ease under-thigh pressure and maintain good blood flow. The Sprint comes with convenient flip-up armrests. Simply flip the armrests up to allow clear access to your workstation. For additional comfort, the arms are topped with a padded cushion in matching textile. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair. And by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free floating. To promote body movement and help maintain healthy posture, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The Sprint comes with an upholstered fabric seat pad and a mesh backrest in black finish with a classic black frame, armrests and 5-star base with twin-wheel hooded casters. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Level 0, 1 and 5 and fabrics to EN 1021 Parts 1 and 2. The Sprint comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.